All right, it's time for Law 16 in the 22 Immutable Laws of Marketing. My name is Declan Davey. I'm a copywriter, and Law 16 is the law of singularity. And it's summarized by saying, in each situation, only one move will produce substantial results. It introduces the law by saying, a lot of marketers think that their success is a sum total of a lot of small efforts beautifully executed, when the reality is there's usually one or two key decisions that are really the big movers. And there's a lot of fluff really that could be trimmed or cut away. And the tricky part is trying to find those one or two big movers. It compares marketing to a battleground. It says that successful generals study the battleground and look for that one bold stroke that is least expected by the enemy. Finding one is difficult. Finding more than one is usually impossible. So it's not trying to compete with any similar brands by using lots of different campaigns, lots of different strategies. You've got to find that one, maybe two max, that will really produce the best results. The authors say that most often there is only one place where a competitor is vulnerable. So it's up to the marketing team to really get down to business and find out what is that one place, and that should be the focus of the entire invading force, if you like. An example comes within the car industry. So it says that General Motors, who are a powerhouse in the car industry, they were under pressure because the Japanese came at the low end with small cars like Toyota, Datsun and Honda, and the Germans came at the high end with premium cars like Mercedes and BMW. So with the success of these, General Motors felt pressured to commit resources, and in an effort to maintain its profits, it made a bad call. It decided to build many of its mid-range cars using the same body style, and in the process, suddenly customers couldn't tell the difference between many of their different cars, such as Chevrolet, Pontiac, Buick. They all looked alike, so the brand weakened in the process, and it gave opportunities for Ford to come in, and also for Japanese brands such as Acura and Lexus. And that really hit General Motors pretty hard. So really, to sum up this chapter, it is that it's hard to find that single move that is the most effective. If you're hanging around headquarters, you're having lots of meetings, coming up with all these creative ideas, when really you need to just focus on the one that's going to get the best results.